Landsat 8 NDVI processing workflow using ArcPy. Hello guys. This tutorial guides you through processing Landsat 8 imagery using ArcPy. The workflow includes listing raster bands, creating a true color image, calculating NDVI, reprojecting rasters, clipping to a study area, reclassifying NDVI values, and performing zonal statistics. Step 1. Set up the workspace and environment. We first define the working directory and configure ArcPy's environment settings. Import ArcPy, import OS, then define workspace, raster folder, equal rostring, D, UTM ArcPy data, and Landsat folder. Close quotation, enter. ArcPy dot imp dot workspace equal raster folder. Then ArcPy dot inf dot overwrite output equal true. Step 2. List available raster bands. This step retrieves all available raster bands from the Landsat folder. We use raster underscore list equal ArcPy dot list rasters. Filter only TIFF files inside the folder. Raster list equal A for R in raster folder raster list equal R for R in raster list. If R lower, ends with TIFF. Then print raster bands comma raster list. It's a list of TIFF files inside my folder workspace. Step 3. Create a true color image. A true color composite image is created using bands 4 red, 3 green, and 2 blue for Landsat 8. We start with define output path for true color image. True color image equal os.path.join raster folder, comma Landsat true color.tif. We name it Landsat true color 1, for example, .tif. Check if the true color image already exists. If ArcPy.exists true color, ArcPy manage.delete. Delete the existing one. Then create the true color image using mentioned bands 4, 3, and 2. Print creating true color. Then ArcPy.management.composite bands os.path.join from raster folder, F for F in raster list, if B4 in F or B3 in F or B2 in F, true color image. Then after composite, print true color image created successfully at the path. We copy the script, Ctrl C, and paste it inside Python window. Ctrl V, double enter. Creating true color image. Start time, Friday, 28th of February, 7:24 minutes. True color image created successfully at this path with the name of Landsat underscore true color 1.tif. That's the created true color. Step 4, calculate NDVI, normalized different vegetation index. NDVI is computed using Landsat 8, using band 5 near and band 4 red. We start with the defined path of near and red bands. Band 5 path equal os.path.join raster folder from raster folder and the name of band 5 LCO8. This is the date, 23rd December 2017. B5 TIF Tier 1 SR. In the same way, we define band 4 path os.path.join raster folder and the name of the band B4.tif. Ensure raster exists. If not, ArcPy.exist band 5 and ArcPy.exist band 4 rise file not found error. One or both Landsat bands are missing. Load bands as raster objects near equal ArcPy.sa.raster band 5 path, then red equal ArcPy.sa.raster band 4 path for red band. Then calculate NDVI. NDVI equal ArcPy.sa.float. If we not use float, it just be -1 or and 1. Then near minus red divided by near plus red. After that, save NDVI raster. NDVI raster equal OS path join from the raster folder. Save it as ndvi.tif. Let's name it ndvi new. ndvi.save ndvi raster. Then print NDVI raster created successfully at the path. Let's copy the script for NDVI calculation. In the same way, we can calculate different other indices, for example, NDWI, SAVI, and so on. Just we should change the bands. Control C. Then paste it inside the Python console. Control V. Double enter. Now NDVI created. We can check, for example, this point is with a body, which is minus value. And we have some vegetation area around here, which is, for example, this pixel 0.37. And between them, we have, for example, this pixel close to 0. Step 5, reproject the NDVI raster. If we need it, we can reproject the NDVI raster to, for example, WGS 1984 UTM Zone 38N North. We start with the define input NDVI, NDVI raster equal os.path.join, raster folder, and ndvi.tip. Ensure the NDVI raster exists. If not, raise error, NDVI raster not found at the path. Then define output reprojected raster equal os.path.join, raster folder, and we name it NDVI reprojected 1, for example, .tif. Then correctly define the coordinate system. Spatial ref equal ArcPy.spatial reference 32skis38 for the mentioned CRS. After we define parameters, we reproject NDVI raster using ArcPy.management.project raster, NDVI raster, and reprojected raster output. Use spatial ref, which is 32skis38. Then print NDVI raster reprojected successfully at the path. Copy the script. Again, paste it inside the Python console. Control V and double enter. NDVI raster reprojected successfully at the path with the name of NDVI reprojected.tif.